Oh, we got a Natsu. Okay. He is not engaging in one so far. Oh, that didn't hit? Okay. Oh, high farmer. How am I hitting him? I don't even know I hit that, bro. Just gonna go for this. Into another set of M1, slam down, Melinda. And that is his first stock already, bro. That was so quick. What character is that? Sonic. Oh fuck, I can't spell Sonic. There we go. Alright, hit him with this again. Bring him up in the air. Oh, he blocked it. Oh, got him again. Guard block. Oh, this match is gonna be over quick, bro. I'm gonna use Hiei. And he's dead. Again, that is the second stock, bro. That is crazy. Oh, Hiei. Oh shit, I'm dead. I should have turned around and held block, bro. We did it so quick. The moment he spawned in. We got hit by that. Alright, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my, this thing is pressing every button on his keyboard. He almost caught me with that. Why isn't he going for M1s, bro? I'm trying to guard break him. Show me this. I got mode. Got mode here. And we'll use this. Alright, now I just gotta go for the 100 0. Don't give up now, bro. Probably still got a chance. See, look. I mean, that combo. Yeah, you're gonna sleep it right now. Yo, if this dude does what oh, I sold that stuff. Yeah, see, look, you got a chance. Press 4, please press 4. Holy shit. That is. Bro, what? That he has so much hyper. Oh. Please don't roar. Please don't fucking roar. Wait, are you? No! He's gonna turn his master around. I just sold so hard. Oh my god, it's so hard, bro. Never mind, no I didn't. Slowing out. Blender, run away. No, he sold. He still has a. I think he's gonna use the wing. No, oh. It's behind him, I guess. Oh, this thing is beating my ass. Oh, my last stock. Did I really just sell that hard? GG, though. What? Nah. This guy's just goated, bro. I don't know. I don't know, but that guy's just goated. Alright, here we go. Got an Ichigo. Oh, this is a smart one. I wonder, how do you use after image strike? I never used Hiei in a while, bro. Forgot how to use the 100 0. Okay, well, what I just did there was not smart. Use this. That didn't work. Yo, I'm just gonna. Oh wow. Okay. Oh wow, he actually dodged that? Alright, there you go, he's dead. That's his fault. Damn. Maybe I should stop using the behind you if it's. Oh, he's smart, bro. He is very smart. He's gonna use guess to get, bro. Like, bro, I'm retarded. I'm retarded. I'm so retarded. Bro, I just need to get a bit of damage off, bro. Alright, yeah. Alright. I'm dead. I'm not gonna use behind you this time. Yep. You thought I was gonna use it. You thought I was gonna use it. And now you're dead. Wait, or not, because apparently meteor doesn't work like that. Okay. And he is dead. Bro, I love Hiei, bro. Okay. So do that. Oh shit, I have to ride into his plans, bro. Oh, I'm dead. I am dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh. Oh, what? Bro, are you serious? No, he's better. He's better, bro. He's better. I'm so close to mode, though. Oh, he's crazy, bro. Oh, wow. Yo, he actually, what? This nigga just 180 his camera? Nah. Oh, I'll probably have to get one combo here if I don't. Use that. Yep. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, now I'm just gonna mode up here. Take that stock. Come here. Okay. Okay. We could win this. We could win it. He said, please. That almost hit me, bro. Okay. Oh, that's game. GG. Oh, wait, what? Are you serious? He's dead. Alright, we gotta Hisoka. I need to say this, bro, because like I have never watched One Punch Man, right? Which is really crazy because I've seen so much hype about it, and my friends they watched a lot of it, bro. They watched like all the seasons. I heard it went bad after season 2 though, because the animation did some shit. I was planning on watching it, but I don't really got the time for it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I got the time, and I just don't feel like doing it. It's like having like something on your watch list that you just never pick up when you say you do though. Oh, he's waiting for me. He's dead. There you go. That's his first thought. But yeah, I just never watched it. But I know who this character is. I definitely know who he is. All right, let's. Bro, are you serious? Nah, you deserve this. Or not. Sword on wings. Gonna get bungee jump. You're gonna try. That works too, I guess. Oh, the spike didn't even try to use. There it is. Jeez. Oh! I don't know how I didn't get hit by that, bro. Okay, it's dead. Okay. We are literally one shot right now, bro. I like that trade. I'll take it. We are one stock ahead of this guy. That actually hit this time? How? Oh, he was at the fall for that. What am I doing? What am I doing? There you go. There you go. Yep. Slam down. Get hit by that. I'm just gonna mode up here. So I know he's not close to it right now. And he's dead. Alright, where is he? What? And he hit me with that is crazy. No, come back. He almost got me with that. Yo, he is going crazy, bro. He's holding F. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, bro. Why is he most so easily beatable, bro? Unless you get like an M1 off. I don't even have my skills, so I can't do shit. Just need to get him lower. Try it again. Frank. Oh, he died. Okay, I take that. GG. Alright. The Kirito. Oh shit. Hit him with this. They never expected, bro. Kirito's never expected. What the? How do you get out? I'm okay with this. Someone down into an immediate. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna do it like this thing. He just walked. He's okay. He just. I don't know what happened to that stock, bro. I don't know. I literally don't know. He hit me with that. Kirito. Bro, how did you guys feel about Kirito coming to the end, bro? I feel like they made this nigga too overpowered, bro. Like, look at that shit. We both just down slam each other in midair. I've never seen some shit like that in my life on ABA. They need to just. So many characters need like nerfs, bro. This is too much. They just keep buffing them, bro. They don't need it. Instead of buffing and nerfing the people that should be nerfed, they just buff the old characters, bro, and make the game like toxic. It feels like Anime Cross 2, but like the third game, like a third Anime Cross 2 now, instead of just ABA. That's my opinion right now, because this is literally too much, bro. They do every character does so much damage. Look at this shit. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Watch this. Watch this. If I can even use it. You couldn't even do shit about that. But block it and then get flung away. Maybe. Use Darkness Dragon. Maybe that. GG.